Hey YouTubers, today we're going to make a monster jam. We've got monster trucks, we have cars, and we have a big play mat that we can make a whole scene of just some serious monster truck stuff. So let's open some up. So what do we have? We have the Barbarian. It's a pretty cool looking truck. Look at that. Wheels move. And then we have Samson. He's another one. Wow, these are pretty nice monster trucks. And what else do we have here? We have Megabyte. Okay, that's looking pretty cool. And we have Crustacean. Looks like a big crab. There we go. And let's see what we got for cars. Looks like we have a Corvette, maybe a Supra, and an old Impala. So let's get these ones opened up. And these are going to be great to be able to drive over with our monster trucks. That's a nice car. And what else do we have? We have an Impala. And then we have a big playmat, which is a scene. Which one is it? We have a desert scene. So let's open it up and see what we got. So here we go. We got a mud bog all set up. We got all of our trucks ready. Let's try one out. Let's go race around. Let's go around these guys because we're going to drive over them earlier. Here we go. And it's going to go right through the mud. Oh, gooey. Look at that. Let's move him back. Okay, let's back him up on here. Let's take this next one, the Barbarian. Let's go take him around. Wow, that looks pretty cool. Okay, let's try the Crustacean. Let's bring him over here. And he can come around. Let's drive over. And let's get ready for the mud. This guy's wheels don't work as well as the other ones. Let's park him over here. Last we have the Megabyte. Let's watch him go through the mud. Oh, he's gooey. Wow. Let's try the Samson. Oh, right into the mud. Just gotta back up a bit. That's deep mud. Okay, let's try the next one. We have the police. That's some serious mud. Let's give the crustacean a try. Think we can do it with the megabyte? Let's go the other way. Okay, let's try this black one. Okay, let's go with the monster, the blue one. And the green one. And we have the two last red ones. Let's give them a go. And let's try this one. I think he can do it. Hey YouTubers, today we're going to have the extreme mud bog race. We're going to have 2 trucks at a time race across the great mud bog to the finish line. So who's going to be first? Let's try Samson, and let's try this bright red one. So let's get ready. Oh, and the red one wins. Let's try this blue one and the gray one. Let's get them over there. Okay, we're ready to go with the blue and the gray one. Okay, let's go. Let's see who wins. And the blue one. Okay, we have the black and the green one. Let's see how they do. And the green one wins. Okay, we have the crustacean and the barbarian. Let's see how they make out. Ready, set, go. Oh, and the barbarian won. Okay, for fun, let's see if the silver one can pull the red one through the mud. Okay, let's go. He did it. So let's take a look at this red one. We got a few jumps set up and some cars to drive over. So let's give it a try. Let's try the green one. Let's give this a go. How about we try the black one? He's a pretty neat looking truck. It's got flames on it. Let's go the other way with this guy. Oh. How about the blue one? These trucks are pretty slick. And let's see if he can make it over those cars. Oh, he kind of went over the side of it. Oh, let's try some of these other guys that we had. You remember this one from the other? We had Samson. These guys, the wheels move. They don't have lights, but the wheels move. And let's try this other red one. This was the Barbarian. That's pretty nice. Look at that. Okay. Let's try Megabyte. Let's see how he does. Wow, he's pretty intense. Let's try Crustacean. Look at him. He's a serious looking truck. Big crab type guy. Well, let's put him away. Okay, let's have these guys jump these other monster trucks. So we got a red Barbarian. Let's have him try and jump these guys. Okay. Do you think the Megabyte can do it? He didn't have any problem. Well, let's give this black one a try. He's ready. Oh, I think he's stuck. He'll have to back off. And let's give the Monster 7 a try. Okay, let's go the other way. Let's put him away. How about we try this red one? He's, what is he? He's got an eagle on him. One last one. Let's try Samson. Hey, it's Egyptian Minion. Let's get him on a monster truck. Let's watch again. Let's see who else we can find. It's British Invasion Minion. And that's Kevin. And he's eating a banana. Let's get him on a truck. Kevin lays on it and away he goes. Keep watching. Let's see who else we can find. That's bored silly Kevin. He looks pretty funny. He came right out of the sand. Oh, he's trying to get back down in the sand. Okay, let's get him on this truck. Let's load him up. So who's going to be next? Let's see what we can find. Oh, who's that? That's our matey Minion. Let's get him on a red one. I can't wait to see who's gonna be next. Let's see what we can find. Oh, that is Minion Stewart. He doesn't look too happy. Looks like he's hitchhiking. He's got his thumb up. Okay, let's go get a truck for him. Let's put him on. Oh, Kevin Stewart fell off. I don't know who's going to be next, but it's going to be a surprise. It's Minion Bob. He's always so happy. Look at him spinning. Okay, let's get him the silver one. So who's next? Who do you think it's going to be next? Let's see. Oh, it's Minion Bob. Look at him. He's just like, ween. He can almost dig a hole again. So, there it is. Minion Bob. Let's get him a truck. Let's try this one. Since it's blue and he's royalty, let's put him on the royal truck. Okay, who's next? Let's see what we can find. Oh, who's that? He's looking around to see what's going on. That's El Natural Minion. Let's get him on a red truck. Okay, I think there's a few more guys out there. A few more minions. Let's see who we can see. Oh, look at him. He's looking around. He's looking around. Okay, there he is. That's Cro-Magnon Minion. Okay, let's get him a black truck. Pile on. Okay, I think there's one more minion in there somewhere. So let's see what we can find. Uh-oh. Do you know who that is? He's looking around. He's got his hands up. He's crawling out. It is Gone Batty Minion. Haha. There he is. Okay, let's get him a truck as well. Let's go with the green one. That one. Yeah, let's get that one. Mm.